Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, July 22nd. The streak has come to an end. NASDAQ backed off yesterday, no new highs were made. The E-mini S&P finished down 7.5 points at 2114 1/2. The high of the session was 2125. We saw stock index futures pull back after the cash close with the Apple earnings. Dow futures ended up being down 137, 17,866. Weighed on heavily by IBM and United Technologies, big Dow stocks that smashed that index. The NASDAQ, like I said, was negative on the day, down 5 at 4666 1/2, being pressured after the close by the Apple earnings, down about 7% initially. The dollar was off as well, down 74 points at 97.43 after we've seen this move to the upside. The euro currency did climb back yesterday, up 113 at 109.50, pressing on that 110 level again. Bonds firmed up as well, moving higher, 152.10, up 18 ticks. So bond prices have been moving up, therefore yields have been moving back down. Crude oil still going nowhere. The low of the session was 50.05 yesterday. The high of the session was 51.40, so less than $1.50 range. The close was 50.85, which was up 40 cents. We have not seen yet a breakdown in crude, though we've seen its counterpart gold make new relative 5-year lows. Gold yesterday was down $3, 11.04. The session low to keep an eye on from the other night was 1080. So after the pullback yesterday and the negative Apple earnings, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're down a little bit more, down 7.5 points. The E-mini S&P at 2107, down 60 points in the Dow at 17,806, but a lot of earnings are still coming out. NASDAQ is getting hit, though, down 49 at 4617 after a straight-up 350-point move that we've seen in the last couple of weeks in the tech sector in the NASDAQ 100. The dollar is steady right now at 97.45, up 2. Euro currency down 10 at 109.40 after a big surge yesterday. Bonds at 152.20, up another 10 ticks. Yields down a little bit more. Crude oil down 60 cents, pressing on that $50 level. 50.30 is where it stands. And gold making another push to the downside. 10.93, down 11. Again, 10.80 is that extreme low from Sunday night. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, Apple earnings are pressuring stocks, down 7.5 in the S&P, down 60 in the Dow, and down 49 in the NASDAQ. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.